Today I have got a package from a Chinese company called Fifine. They sent me a microphone to test, but apart of microphones they do lots of different other stuff. So let me take it out from this box and see what I have got. So this is how the box looks like, and it seems like I have got a gaming microphone. The model is A6T. Of course I will check on their website how much it costs and I will add link in the video description. The box also says that we have some sort of RGB illumination of this microphone, so I will test that as well. We have plug and play icon and function key for convenient use. I will of course have to test what this key does. The first thing we see in the box is a manual, and it's a user's guide. So let me quickly take a look at the guide. Much to my surprise, the guide is actually in English, and it seems to be a pretty decent guide, or at least it covers the basics of the installation of the microphone. And I see here Apple Mac OS screenshots, so it shall work with both Windows and macOS. And here we have some old Windows, probably from Windows 7 or from Windows 10. Anyway, the guide is there, it's in English, and it seems to be decent. And this is the microphone itself. Apparently it also comes with a microphone stand and with a sound filter, which is really nice. So this filter feels pretty nice quality, not some cheap crap, and the plastic is okay. But let's start with the microphone. The microphone, I'm actually surprised. It comes with a shock absorbing mount. So we have these rubber bands over here, and that means that whenever you shake your table, the microphone will not receive the kick straight away. It will go through these rubber mounts, and it will ease the shock for the microphone, and hopefully it will not hear the crash of your table or the kick of your table. This whole piece is rather lightweight, but I'm not sure if it's good or bad. Let me try to unscrew this one and see here. So it connects through USB Type-C cable. What I don't like is that it's located right next to this mounting bar, but maybe we can turn it. Yeah, if I dismount these rubber bands, I can turn the microphone so there will be space for the cable. Okay, let's take the next piece. This is the mounting thingy or the mounting clip. I'm not sure what's the correct name in English for this one. It seems to be of an okay quality. We have this one is metal, then we have rubber pad down there, and this one is of course metal as well. Let me see if we have any rubber pads on the other side. Unfortunately over here, let me see, I can show better. Unfortunately on this side we do not have any rubber pads, so this means that it will leave marks on your table, and I would suggest to put something over here when you screw it to your table, of course if the surface is sensitive. Now this one seems to be also not too bad, and seems like we can securely install the bar inside here. So what's next? The next is this filter, which is supposed to install between you and the microphone, which I'm gonna test as well. But now let's see how we install it. Is it gonna be... no? Okay, I see. So it's installed like this. Yeah. And here how it looks like. You also have this little smiley face there, which I find to be nice. Here we have the title Fifine. The cable, nothing particularly spectacular, just a regular USB Type-C cable, which seems to be of a pretty decent quality. And underneath we have the mounting bar. Usually when you're buying cheap microphones, they are coming with horrible mounting bar, which is impossible to align the way you want it. So let me see how this one holds up. And it seems like it might be a little bit better than the cheapest possible, but still not that much better. Here we have an adapter, which is apparently getting into the microphone. Let me see. Yes, so this is an adapter to connect the microphone. onto this mounting bar. That one goes in and the mounting bar goes in there. I have to say that I bought a couple of these mounting bars separately on Amazon, or at least they felt and looked exactly the same. And I'm not particularly impressed how they work and how they last. Like the mobility and flexibility of this bar is pretty bad. It is also not very stable in those joints over here. So I'm not impressed with the mounting bar, but considering the microphone is good, I can forgive the mounting bar. And of course, if you want a professional mounting bar, you're buying a professional mounting bar. This Fifine A6T microphone I'm going to test against a much more expensive Shure MV7 microphone, as well as wireless Go microphone that I'm using right now to record this video. So if you're interested to see how this microphone performs, stay tuned, the detailed review will be available on my channel.